In 2024, forming a limited liability company or LLC has never been more accessible, thanks to the platforms like Stripe Atlas, Firstbase, Clerky, and ZenBusiness. These tools eliminate the hassle of paperwork and complex legal jargon, making the process seamless for entrepreneurs. Whether you're launching a tech startup, a small business, or entering the US market as a global entrepreneur, these platforms cater to various needs. Some prioritize affordability and simplicity, while others focus on legal precision and long term scalability. Choosing the right LLC formation tool is vital for establishing a solid foundation for your business. So, in this video, we'll delve into the key features, benefits, and differentiators of these top four platforms, helping you make an informed decision. So, first, let's talk about Stripe Atlas. Stripe Atlas is a powerful platform designed for startups, particularly those outside the US, looking to incorporate in Delaware. Known for its business friendly laws, Delaware is a hotspot for startups and established companies. Stripe Atlas simplifies the process of incorporation while offering robust access to Stripe's payment processing services. The platform includes tools for setting up a US bank account and obtaining an employer identification number, crucial for businesses enter the US market. So for its key features, the first key feature is its global business accessibility. Stripe Atlas provides a straightforward path for non-US founders to establish a Delaware LLC or C Corp, even if they don't reside in the United States. So this opens doors to the US market, enabling businesses to build credibility and attract investors. Another key feature is its built-in payment integration. The platform seamlessly integrates with Stripe's payment system, allowing businesses to manage revenue efficiently from the start. This simplifies financial operations, making it easier to track and process payments globally. Now let's talk about Firstbase. Firstbase goes beyond LLC formation, providing a complete toolkit for startups. From acquiring an EIN to setting up a US bank account, it ensures businesses are operational from day one. What sets Firstbase apart is its focus on ongoing compliance, offering services to handle annual filings, taxes, and registered agent requirements. This long term approach makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking for an end to end solution. So, for its key features, first is its comprehensive formation process. It handles everything from filing LLC paperwork to creating a US business bank account and securing EINs. This saves time and reduces stress by streamlining all essential setup tasks in one place. Another key feature is its compliance support overview. Firstbase ensures your business remains compliant with US laws through registered agent services and annual filing reminders. This mitigates risks associated with missed deadlines, protecting your business from penalties. Next is Clerky. Clerky is a niche platform tailored for high growth, venture backed startups. Unlike others that cater to general small business needs, Clerky specializes in providing legally sound documentation. From incorporating to fundraising agreements, the platform is designed to meet the stringent requirements of investors and attorneys. Its focus on legal precision ensures startups are prepared for every stage of growth. So, for its key features, first is the startup focused documentation. It offers specialized templates for incorporation, equity distribution, and investor agreements. This reduces legal risks and ensures documents meet investor expectations, making fundraising smoother. Another key feature is the legal accuracy overview. Clerky's documents are vetted by experienced legal professionals, guaranteeing compliance with US laws. This gives entrepreneurs peace of mind knowing their legal documents are accurate and reliable. And next is Zen Business. So, Zen Business is an affordable and user friendly platform ideal for small business owners and solo entrepreneurs. While it handles the basics of LLC formation efficiently, it also offers additional services like domain registration and website creation, making it a one stop shop for new businesses. Its transparent pricing and customer support make it a favorite among budget conscious entrepreneurs. For its key features, first is its affordable formation services. It provides cost effective plans that cover LLC filing, registered agent services, and compliance reminders. This allows small businesses to save money without compromising on essential services. Another key feature is the Business Tools add ons. It offers optional services like website creation, business email setup, and domain registration. This helps entrepreneurs establish a professional online presence right from the start. So basically, each platform serves a unique audience, making it crucial to match their offerings with your business needs. Stripe Atlas is ideal for global entrepreneurs aiming for a US presence with integrated payment solutions. Firstbase is perfect for startups looking for a comprehensive approach to formation and compliance. Clerky is the go to choice for high growth startups requiring precision in legal documentation, and Zen Business is best for budget conscious entrepreneurs seeking simplicity and additional business tools. So, by leveraging these platforms, entrepreneurs can focus on growing their businesses rather than being bogged down by legal and administrative tasks. So always make sure that you want to evaluate your business's specific needs, such as budget, compliance requirements, and scalability before making a choice. With the right platform, you can confidently launch your LLC and set the foundation for thriving business in 2024 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.